So I quickly want to show you guys proof of this, that you can make money online passively and on complete autopilot. So that means all you have to do is set this up once, and effort that you've put in back years ago can still pay off today and can still make you money online. Even if you're a complete beginner, don't have any experience, and even if you've never seen anything about making money online, this is a strategy that does work and can really make you good money online. And you don't need a website for this. We're not going to be in front of a camera. This is not going to actually be selling anything. So this is not affiliate marketing. This is not drop shipping. This is not those quick surveys or little tasks online that hardly pay any money. This is a real business model that works and the easiest way to make passive income online. So without further ado, if you're new to the channel, definitely go down below and subscribe down below with the bell on if you want to become an online entrepreneur, start your online journey and make some money online and build that dream life that you're perhaps wanting to work towards, whether it's more freedom, you want more money to spend to save up for that car, for more entertainment, whatever it could be. On my channel, I am teaching you daily methods on how to make money online from home, from the comfort of your couch. So definitely go down below, subscribe so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one today. And all you need to do is to make this kind of money online, we need to head over to this website over here. I'm actually going to show you a total of 3 websites, so make sure to keep watching until the end of this video, because I'm also going to give you a free course at the end of this video that I paid for. In this video, you're going to get it completely for free just to help you make even more money online, as a little gift from me to you, just to say thank you for the recent support on the channel. But without further ado, Twitter is one of the most useful communities out there today to really make a lot of money online. So Twitter is a place where people post different opinions, different highlights or ads, and we're not going to be running ads or anything like that, don't worry. People ask various different questions, they engage with each other, they create communities as everybody wants to learn, right? So what I've been doing is I've been using this crazy trend of using the Christmas kind of theme, because it's trending right now. It's there's December, so it's Christmas soon. That's why we want to hop on this trend, and that's how we can make a lot of money online from this. So what I kind of did was I'm going to use Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest on this video to kind of 3 times your earnings from this, as you can use the strategy on all 3 of these platforms. So I kind of created this little page over here called, to mark the launch of our brand new page at Christmas Hampers, we have an awesome competition. You could win a $1,000 Visa gift card via lucky draw. To enter, follow these steps. Retweet this post to your feed, tag us, follow at Christmas Hampers, which is our page, click on the link in the bio to submit your entry, and you must do all of the above to enter. So how this works is, yes, we are going to give away a $1,000 Visa gift card, but what's great about this is there's actually a platform out there, make sure to keep watching as I'm going to show you now, where we can get paid to refer people to this $1,000 Visa gift card. I mean, who doesn't want to enter the chance to win $1,000? This is why something like this really converts well. And per person that we refer to this giveaway, we can earn well over $2 per referral. And we're not selling anything, we are just giving people the opportunity to win $1,000. So how exactly do we go and do that? So make sure to keep watching, as this is a crucial step. There are 2 platforms that you can go and use. You can go and use cpaleads.com. So if you come over to offers on this page over here, take a look at this. You can see a whole bunch of various different CPA offers over here where you will get paid, for example, 48 cents, 75 cents, 48 cents, this one's $1.02 for referring people to various different opt-in pages. But what I've actually been using as well, why I mentioned CPA Leads, is because it's an alternative and a great alternative to maxbounty.com. Max Bounty does have quite a strict sign-up process, but since I'm on Max Bounty, I'm going to use that. But if you're not on Max Bounty, head over to CPA Leads and you can use this exact same platform. It works exactly the same as I'm going to show you right now. And once you're on your Max Bounty dashboard, this is what it's going to look like. So you can get paid, for example, over here, $1.50 per lead per person that you refer to this $1,000 gas card giveaway. So someone can win, for example, $1,000 for fuel, and you will get paid $1.50 per person that you refer to this giveaway. And the next step is you want to type in the search bar PayPal. Click on apply search options. This is the exact offer I've been using over here. Win a $1,000 PayPal prepaid card, and you are going to earn $2.40 per lead that you refer to this $1,000 giveaway. So how this works is you're going to click on your offer, your CPA offer over here. It's going to open up this page over here. You're going to click on build tracking link, click on contextual, click on raw link over here, and then copy this affiliate link over here, which is your affiliate link, And every time someone clicks on this link, signs up for this giveaway, you're going to get paid $2.40. So let's come over to a new tab, paste our affiliate link, and click on enter. And this is the landing page where all the magic happens. So every time you refer someone to this page, they enter their details such as their first name, last name, their date of birth, etc. You are going to get paid $2.40 per person that you sign up on this page. And all they are doing is standing a chance to win a $1,000 PayPal prepaid card. So how this works is they collect all these emails and they will then choose a lucky email to send this $1,000 to, and that's how this works, and that's how you will get paid your $2.40 per lead. So now that we've got our affiliate link, now that we've got our different platforms that we're going to go and use, we need to come back to this page over here where we've built this little picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to give this to you. All I would like is leave a like on this video, definitely leave a like on this video, comment down below that you are ready, and also you got to be subscribed down below with the bell on. And then on your comment down below, I'll reply to your comments with the download link to this page or the share link where you can go and edit this on Canva yourself. So what we're going to do is we want to go and download this picture to our PC. Once you've commented down below and you've got your link, so click on PNG and click on download. It's then going to prepare our design and download this to our PC. Then there's 3 ways that we can go about this. So what I suggest is way number 1. Make sure to keep watching until the end because the third one is the most profitable one. Over here, we can go and create like a Christmas theme page. For example, like Christmas giveaways, Christmas hampers. You can see like this is photos of a mug of marshmallows and a very Christmassy theme. As you can see, you can go and repost this content, credit this page. And the thing is, we don't want to actually focus on building a page here. We just want to post 1 or 2 photos or even 3 or 4 of them. Just fill up your feed a bit to make your page look as organic as possible. Then what you can do is create a bio with something like this. So like you can have 22 days till Christmas. Christmas is my passion. And you can say $1,000 prepaid gift card for Christmas giveaway, for example. And then you can have the link in your bio to your link, your affiliate link on CPA leads over here, or Max Bounty over here. This affiliate link over here. So you can go and use, for example, a tool called Linktree. You can just go log in. Linktree is like a little landing page builder where we can actually go and have multiple links to various different giveaways. And you can sign up people to multiple CPA offers and make multiple streams of income from the same lead. So for example, if one lead signs up on the giveaway for the $1,000, that's $2.40. Let's say he signs up on another giveaway for like a Walmart gift card, that's another $2.40. So all you must do is sign up on Linktree. I'm just going to sign in with my account quickly. And once you've signed into Linktree, you can go and enter a title. So let's go, for example, Christmas giveaways. Then for our URL, we can go put our affiliate link. So let's come back to Max Bounds over here, copy our affiliate link, come back to Linktree and paste this over here. And take a look at this. When I copy my Linktree link and I paste this in a new tab, this is what my landing page looks like. So this is the page people will land on when you put this in your bio. Then they can then click on this and it will then take them to the $1,000 gift card giveaway page where they enter the details and you get paid $2.40 and over. So what we're also going to do is we're then going to post in our feed this post over here. And I want to explain something to you here. This is going to go viral by itself because naturally to enter the competition, they are forced to retweet or repost this. So I've optimized this post for Twitter, so you can do the same thing on Twitter. But I'm just using Instagram as well, and you can go and use Facebook as well. You obviously just have to go and change this text. So you can go repost on your Instagram feed, tag us, follow at Christmas Hampers, click on the link in the bio to submit your entry, and you must do all of the above to enter. So how this works is, let's say one person decides to enter this giveaway with 100 followers. So he shares this on his feed, he follows you, and he then clicks on the bio. And then he then clicks on your link in the bio, which is a $2.40 sign up. That's $2.40 profit. And then all, let's say 5 of his 100 followers see this post. They then share their posts. Now, the 5 of his followers all shares your post, or opens up to all of their networks. And now it just becomes one viral ripple effect. You've got everybody sharing this post, entering this $1,000 giveaway. You could at least be getting 100 to 200 signups per day. That is then $240 per day profit, just CPA marketing, while the Instagram virality and algorithm is doing this on complete autopilot for you. You can also go and post this exact same thing on Facebook groups. Get people to repost this on Facebook groups and get this to go viral. You can go and do the same thing on Pinterest. Post this on Pinterest, get people to repost it and get it going viral on all of these platforms. Same thing with Twitter. Get people to retweet it, follow your page, you click on the link in your Twitter bio, and you can get this post to go viral on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter as well. Now you've got 4 platforms running this on autopilot for you, which is basically a stream of income from each and every platform. So I hope you can see the power of this little giveaway competition. So all I ask is go down below, leave a like on this video and comment down below, and then you can get this link. So I'll reply with a share link to this Canva design page where you can go and rechange this, rename it, edit it a bit to however you like on Canva. So make sure to go comment down below so I can reply to your comment with this link. But on the screen above, I'm going to leave a free course for you guys called CPA Marketing. This is an entire playlist on CPA marketing, on information that I've learned from plenty of paid courses that I've put on here on YouTube for free. So you're welcome to go and check out this playlist to help you out make even more earnings with CPA marketing, just like this I've taught you in this video. So definitely go up above, click on this link on the screen over here and go check out this playlist. Until then, take care and I'll see you there.